everyone, this is Vivian Resnick with Berkshire Hathaway of Tampa, Florida. Thanks for watching today. If you've never subscribed to my YouTube channel, just push the red button below to receive weekly videos on various real estate topics. Today, I want to talk to you about the home buyer's do's and don'ts list. Do stay on budget. When you go under contract, you typically will close in 30 to 45 days. In the grand scheme of things, that's not a long time, so make sure you stick to your budget. Look at your budget daily if necessary and stick to it. Closing day is just around the corner. Do keep your team informed, and by your team, I mean your realtor and your lender. Always keep them updated in case any new information comes up or changes. Do check your timeline. Your realtor should give you a timeline. I like to give that to my buyers and my sellers to keep them on track of closing day and every important milestone, such as home inspections, appraisals, and so on. Respond quickly. If your realtor or lender email you or call you, try to respond as quickly as possible. There may be an important issue or document that needs attention right away, and calling them as quickly as possible always helps. Keep extra copies of all your documents. Sometimes an underwriter may need a copy of something you may have already given them. Have a hard copy and an electronic copy. That way you can email it right away or scan it and send it on its way. Please do not buy a car. Please don't buy a car. I cannot tell you how many clients have been pre-qualified and then denied the loan because they've believed that they could go ahead and buy a car. They saw the car dealer, spoke with them, and they purchased a car. Then they can't buy a home. Don't buy furniture. The same as buying a car, any large purchase will affect your debt to income ratio, and it may change and greatly decrease your shopping power. So please don't buy a car, no major purchases. Do not deposit large sums of money. You may have a family member that is all excited and wants to give you some money because you want to buy a home. So if they want to, that's wonderful. But if it's an amount over $300, that's typically going to require paperwork from the bank. So speak to your lender first. Do not ignore timelines. Ignoring timelines could cause a delay in closing, cancellation of the contract, and the loss of a deposit. Do not ignore your lender or realtor. I can't emphasize this enough. Ignoring may cause delays, so please respond quickly. This is Vivian Resnick with Berkshire Hathaway of Tampa, Florida. Thanks for watching today. If you're interested in listing your home and having your home featured on my YouTube channel, give me a call. You can find me at vivianresnick.com. Be sure to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. You can find my handles below or click the red button to subscribe for weekly videos. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next week.